Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to delete WhatsApp stickers. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to first go ahead and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And by doing that, you gotta just double check if the WhatsApp needs to be updated. And if it does, do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. And as you can see right here, you'll see the update button appearing to you. So I'm gonna quickly demonstrate how it's done. Just go ahead and click on the chat right here and just go ahead and click on the sticker right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hold right here that sticker, and I'm gonna just remove it from recent. So unfortunately for now, you won't be able to delete your own stickers right here, except like add it to your favorites or just edit the sticker. So unfortunately for now, it is not possible to delete your own sticker, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.